In this problem, we will calculate the product 1 minus 1 over 2 squared times 1 minus 1 over 3 squared until 1 minus 1 over n squared. So how we will proceed? The first thing is we will change this general term. So we have 1 minus 1 over n squared is equal to, the same denominator is n squared. So here we will have n squared minus 1 over n squared. So it's equal to, here we have the special product, so it's n minus 1 times n plus 1, of course, over n squared, and we will use this term. So here our product will be equal to, with n equals 2, we will have 2 minus 1 times 2 plus 1, the first term, over 2 squared. The second one will be with n equals 3, so 3 minus 1 times 3 plus 1, of course, over 3 squared. And we continue until, of course, the last term, which is n minus 1 times n plus 1 over n squared. And it's, of course, equal to 2 minus 1 is 1 and 2 plus 1 is 3 over 2 squared, which is just 2 times 2. The second term, 3 minus 1, 2, 3 plus 1, 4, and 3 squared, 3 times 3. And of course, before this term we have with n minus 1, this term will be equal to n minus 2. And this term will be equal to n times n over, and here we will have n minus 1 squared, n minus 1 times n minus 1. And of course, the last term will be n minus 1 times n plus 1 over n squared, which is n times n. And here, if you see, we have those 4 terms will just cancel, 3 with 3, 2 with 2. And this will continue, of course, with the second term also. And in the last term, here we have also those 4 terms will just cancel, n with n and n minus 1 with n minus 1. So the remaining will be just the first term, which is 1/2 times the last term. So we will have 1/2 times the last term, n plus 1 over n plus 1 over n. So our product will be equal to n plus 1 over 2 times n. 2n is the right answer. So our product is equal to n plus 1 over 2n. And this, of course, concludes our problem.